Hello everybody, I've been to the boot sale and this is what I've got. I'll start with the last item, which is this brittle top box with original key. All of the drawers have ball detents. Sorry about the wobbliness, you're in handheld mode. Do with some liners. I mean, the full thing could do with a resto, but it's nice to keep vintage tools in a vintage box. So that was the last purchase of the day, and I was very sorry to be carrying that off the boot sale. I'll tell you that for nothing. We'll get into the rest of the junk. So here is everything else I got from the boot sale in no particular order. I got these Knifex Cutters for 20p. I don't remember the prices for everything, so you'll have to bear with me. Got this nice little tin, one roll of John Bull insulated tape. Sounds like it's got a screw in it. These two locks, brass nails, were £1.50 each, I think. They have got keys, but I'm not convinced the keys are right. They might just be a bit stuck, but I think Too Loud It Ben wants that. He also wants that. And he also wants my brass hacksaw. I haven't seen a brass hacksaw before, so I suppose I can give that to Ben. I got this pair of Woden clamps, 50p each. That was first purchase of the day. Got this stamped US axe. Handle's in a bit of a sorry state, as is the axe head. I can't see any other markings apart from that deep US stamping. Another lock. This one with working key. This is a... someone's painted over it. It's a Squire. Looks a bit like a master lock, but no, it's a Squire. I got these three explosives tins. Don't worry, I disposed of the explosive safely. From the 80s. Don't know why I bought them, but just thought they looked cool. The lids could do with a polish up or a paint, but they're just cool. I also got this hand vise to go with my others over there. These feeler gauges were in the bottom of my brittle toolbox. British made. Got this strange offset adjustable. There is a name on it. I can't make it out. I can read patented and then something in a diamond, but I can't quite read it. So as you turn it, it tightens up. Quite unusual. Got this nice homemade toasting fork. Just a pretty thing. Needs to clean up, but that's nice. Footprint style adjustable with thumb wheel. Must have been less than £1 or I'd have passed it by. Two perfect handled style screwdrivers. I don't think either of them are perfect. This one's a Marples and Sons, Sheffield, so the woodworking company. Someone's done a number on the edge. A nice folding rule, stainless, by Rabone Chesterman. It's got my initials in, JC. pair of pliers that were in the toolbox. This unusual vice of some sort for clamping round stock between centres. This is off one of the sellers I like to go to. He sells engineering stuff. He was an engineer. Nice fella too. Quite cheap, easy to deal with. I got another big spanner, burn style. I don't know if it is a Clyburn, but it's big. It weighs a ton. That was too cheap to pass up. This letterbox was also in the toolbox. Cast iron, quite old with the square nuts. This Mole British made hand crank bench grinder that needs a bit of TLC, but that's cool. I've got another one quite similar to it, so I might have to let that one find a new home. I think we're down to the last two things. Oh no, three things. Got this old brass fire extinguisher, which is interesting. And this socket set, which is a Durachrome Duro Metal Products Company, Chicago. I don't think all of the bits are original, so I'll have to go through the sockets and see which belongs and which don't. But that was a cool find. And finally, off my engineering friend, I got this chess set that he hand machined. He said he just didn't get around to finishing them, so some of them still have where they're attached on the lathe, but the fit and finish is lovely. He did an excellent job. And these, for all them, was only £10, so there's your queen. It's fabulous. So I'm very happy with that. They're probably my favourite things, the chess pieces. Just need a nice board for them to go on now. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please tell me in the comments below what your favourite was, and don't worry Ben, I will get your brass goodies off to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye.